Hello everyone. Hello everyone. Let's begin.
Please ask me anything you want to know about the crater. Hello, Mr. Money T. Alright, so the first question is what do you think of installing HID kit in Creta 2020 and which brand? This was asked by Mr. Akhil Narang. Sir, please mention what kind of headlamps do you have in your Creta? I mean, is it the projector type or the reflector type? Oh, sorry, it is Creta 2020, right? So that means it is either projector type or LED type. Hello, Mr. Pramod Moli. All right, Mr. Akhil Narang. It's a projector setup. So the size will be, if I remember correctly, the size is 9005 or HB3. But modifications are illegal, sir. You can do one thing, you can add auxiliary lights. Those are somewhat acceptable. You can also get them aligned, Mr. Akhil Narang. You can also get them aligned at any Hyundai service center. Legally speaking, the best possible thing would be to upgrade the halogen headlamps itself. I think Philips and Osram make very good ones. Alright, Mr. Money T. Small vibrating noise from front right wheel hub during bumpy road condition. Creta 2019 E+. Front right wheel hub. Did you check alignment and wheel balancing for that? Okay, Mr. Amber Alam. New 2020 Creta. Even after deflating, you get 40 to 48 psi. Oh my god. 40 to 48 psi is too high. For new Creta, I think the pressure, recommended pressure is 33 to 35 psi. And that too for cold tire. Okay, Mr. Money T has replied, yes, it is checked. Mr. Amber Alam, that is definitely not normal. I would suggest you to contact any ASC, the service center, and get the tire pressure monitoring system recalibrated. I think the calibration is off. Alright, Mr. Money T, it is checked. From front right wheel hub during bumpy road condition. Mr. Money T, I would suggest you to get the brake discs checked for warp. You can do it outside also, there are no issues. Alright, Mr. Rohit Goswami has asked, we are going to pay the booking amount now, any checklist of questions to be asked. Mr. Rohit Goswami, I will share the link to a post by my mother. Please stay connected after the stream ends. Okay. मिस अवंतिका चौधरी, डैशबोर्ड में से चूचू की इरिटेटिंग साउंड आती है। अवंतिका जी, आप सर्विस सेंटर में जाइए, वहाँ पे वो लोग क्या करते हैं, कभी कभी ये प्लास्टिक जो है ये दूसरे पैनल के साथ सही सही बैठती नहीं है और वो घिसती रहती है, वहीं से आवाज़ें आती है। या फिर कभी कभी ये क्या होता है कि वायर जो वायरिंग हार्नेस है उसके टाई अप्स में लूज होती है, तो आप सर्विस सेंटर में जाके इसको सही करा सकते हैं। ऑलराइट, मिस्टर वेंकटरमन राजगोपाल, हेलो सर, माय मदर कीप्स प्रेजिंग योर सिंगिंग। सृजन राय चौधरी, मामा प्रणाम नहीं हो। रोहित गोस्वामी जी, थैंक यू, यू आर वेलकम सर। मनी टी, ओके, यू हैव अपॉइंटमेंट टुडे, राइट? Also, please be sure to let them know to check the bearing. The right front wheel bearing. Mr. Money T. Thank you, Mama. Mr. Money T, please let my mother know what they say at the ASC. and if they are able to fix it. Alright. How about some tips for the users to properly maintain their car? I think my mother made some posts about that. I'll share the links after the stream. Alright, Mr. Venkataraman Rajagopal. Is synthetic engine oil really beneficial? Sir, synthetic engine oil is mostly unnecessary for normal use. If you are going to be driving in very steep inclines, or if you are going to be carrying very heavy loads in your car, then synthetic engine oil is useful. Or synthetic engine oil is useful in another case if you are going to extend the service interval. For example, Creta service interval is 10,000 kilometers. So let us say you extend the service interval up to 12,000, up to more than 12,000, then synthetic engine oil would be very good for that. Otherwise, normal semi-synthetic or mineral engine oil is fine. Thank you, Bhaskar Roy sir. Hello, Shibir Gowda sir. Mr. Rajagopal, you are welcome. Mr. Bhaskar Roy says my Creta SX is 3 months old, giving excellent performance as expected of any Creta. Oh no, I really hate such service centers. Sir, Venkatraman Rajagopal sir, the thing is, they are service advisors. They are not service enforcers. They cannot force you to do something that you do not want to do. I'm sure you have heard of the saying, customer is king. You get to choose, you get to decide, sir. All right. So, does nobody have any questions? Okay. Jai Agrawal. Can anyone please confirm if audio is working fine? Hello, Kailash Murthy sir. I own a Creta SXO petrol. When I apply sudden brakes or brakes on uneven roads, I feel something is hitting hard on the road. I hear some crackling sound. Sir, Kailash Murthy sir, is that the ABS sound activation? ABS sound generally feels like as if two metal parts are rubbing against each other very hard, like a grinding metal sound. Thank you, Srijan Mama, for confirming the audio. Hello, Mehulahi sir. Which one would you choose, the first gen, second gen? The by second gen, Mehulahi sir, by second gen, I am assuming that you mean the facelift, which was launched in 2018, right? So this is a very tricky question, sir. The thing is, my mother owns the first gen Creta. So it is natural that I would have a bias towards that. But I like some of the features of the second gen Creta as well. For example, the cruise control. I like that. And about the all new Creta, I like the fuel efficiency figures. For a petrol engine in a car of this size, fuel efficiency figures of around 19 to 20 kilometer is phenomenal. Especially in a petrol. All right, Kailash Murthy sir. I think you do not need to worry too much about it. I would suggest you to slow down. Drive slowly, sir, so that ABS does not get activated. ABS is a, emergency system. All right, Mr. Rajiv Singh, sir, have questions for color problem in Creta SX. Please ask, sir. I'll try my best to answer. Mr. Tarun Roy, sir, how is the performance of Creta Petrol MPI? MPI petrol engine. MPI petrol means 1.5 liter naturally aspirated petrol. Right. That is very good. Very refined, even more refined than the previous 1.6 liter VTVT. The power figures are just around, I think, 10 psi less than the previous one. So no performance issues at all. Yes, but if you are looking for, exceptional race-like performance, you won't get that in any Creta, including the 1.4 liter turbocharged one. The Creta car has always been very, for relaxed kind of a drive. However, there are still people who push it to the limits and extract the max performance out of it. Basically, it totally depends on your driving style. All right. So, no more questions, sir? All right, Mr. Sunil Dhyani. I feel outside noise in my Creta 2017 petrol is more audible after it came from ASC after annual service. Any suggestion to reduce that? To the two in service. Oh yes, Mr. Sunil Dhyani. The service center personnel often remove the, door strips. So please check those if any of them are dislocated. If they are dislocated, you press it back. I believe the sound will get reduced. Outside noise will get reduced, definitely. Please check the rubber strips. Mr. Tarun Roy, is naturally aspirated petrol engine 1.5 underpowered? Definitely not. No engine of any Creta is underpowered for regular use. All engines have more than adequate power for all sorts of roads. All right, no more questions then. Should we wrap this up? Okay, let's wrap this up. Say bye to everyone.
Hello everyone. Have a nice day and thank you for all.
All right. Thank you, Max Kaina, sir. All right, Mr. Tarun Bhatia. I read in one of blog that Breaks of Greta is not good. Please guide. I don't know about that, sir, but my mother's Greta has perfectly fine brakes. Sahil Saroha, sir. Is getting the steering mounted control from outside good option? Sir, I would suggest you to go for genuine Hyundai parts. It does not matter where you buy it from. You can buy it from showroom, you can buy it from service center, you can buy it from outside, but it has to be genuine. Sahil Sarwa, sir, thanks ma'am for running the group so well. Ma, people are thanking you. All right, 3 minutes more.
Thank you very much.
Please ask your questions within 3 minutes. We'll be closing after that. Alright, Mr. Tarun Bhatia, please guide about the good quality infotainment and speakers. Good quality infotainment. You can go for the branded ones. There is Pioneer, Sony, and what? Sony speakers are good too. Then there is, I think,
Panasonic also good.
Panasonic systems are rare in shops. For everyone whose questions I have not answered here, I'll provide the links to my mother's posts after this session ends. Alright, Mr. Harmeet Singh, how is Creta E model? E model is fine, sir. There are no issues. I think E model is the best value for money variant. Sadly, due to Hyundai's policies, such value for money variants are getting very difficult to find in dealerships. I think the waiting period is like 6 months. All right, let's close this session. Ma, say bye to everyone. Come on.
Thank you for all. And this is very prosperous New Year. Next coming New Year. Thank you.
All right, let's close this.